Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're breaking down job safety analysis, a simple but powerful tool to keep workplaces safe. Whether you're a safety professional, supervisor, or just looking to improve workplace safety, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, complete with a real-world example. So, let's get started. What if you could prevent workplace accidents before they happen? That's exactly what a job safety analysis or JSA helps you do. A JSA is a systematic way to identify hazards in a task and control risks before someone gets hurt. Think of it like a recipe for safety. Break down the job, spot the dangers, and add safeguards. When you conduct a JSA, there are several important steps you need to follow. Let me walk you through them. Step 1. Select the job to analyze. This is where you choose which task needs to be examined for safety risks. Step 2. Break the job into steps. Here you'll take that task and divide it into smaller, manageable actions. Step 3. Identify hazards for each step. Now you look closely at each part of the job to spot potential danger. Step 4. Develop control measures. This is where you figure out ways to eliminate or reduce those hazards you identified. Step 5. Document and implement the JSAs. Finally, you'll write everything down and put these safety measures into practice. And that's how you conduct a thorough job safety analysis. Now, let's take a real-world example and walk through each step so you can see exactly how a JSA works in practice. Step 1. Select the job to analyze. First, pick the right job to analyze. Focus on tasks that are high risk, have caused near misses, or are new to your team. For example, operating machinery, working at heights, or even routine jobs like changing a flat tire, which we'll use as our example. Why? Because a simple tire change can lead to crushed fingers, back injuries, or worse if done unsafely. Step 2. Break the job into steps. Now, list every step needed to complete the job. Keep it simple. Aim for 5 to 10 steps. Let's take our flat tire example. Park safely on level ground. Turn on hazards and set the parking brake. Gather tools, jack, lug wrench, and spare tire. Loosen lug nuts before lifting the vehicle. Lift the car with a jack, and so on. Breaking it down helps us see hidden risks. Step 3. Identify hazards for each step. Here's where safety gets proactive. Ask, what could go wrong? For each step, parking, vehicle could roll if not on level ground. Loosening lug nuts, wrench could slip, causing hand injury. Lifting the car, jack could fail, crushing someone. Removing the tire, heavy lifting might strain the back. Every hazard you spot is a chance to prevent an accident. Step 4. Develop control measures. Now solve those risks. Controls can be eliminate the hazard, use a lift instead of a jack, reduce the risk, place wheel chocks to prevent rolling, personal protection, wear gloves, and use proper lifting techniques. For a tire change, parking, use wheel chocks and the parking brake. Lifting, never place any body part under the vehicle. Tire handling, lift with your legs, not your back. Small changes, big safety gains. Step 5. Document and train. A JSA only works if everyone knows and follows it. Document it in a simple table, steps, hazards, and controls. Then, train your team. Pro tip, review JSAs yearly or when equipment changes. Safety isn't one and done. Let's apply this to our example. Changing a flat tire. We've broken it into steps, identified risks like vehicle rollaway or jack failure, and added controls like using wheel chocks and proper lifting techniques. Simple, right? But these small steps can prevent serious injuries. And that's your complete guide to job safety analysis. By breaking down tasks, spotting risks, and adding controls, you're not just complying with rules, you're saving lives. If this video helped you, hit like to support our channel, share it with your team, and subscribe for more safety tips. Stay safe out there. We'll see you in the next video.